Okay guys, this is the iPhone 8 Plus.
Let's look at it.
The packaging.
So what color did you get?
Rose gold, of course.
Okay.
So, basically, So basically, other than the glass background, the back instead of, I think it was plastic before, it looks pretty identical to the iPhone 6s Plus that I had. But yeah. It's probably dead. But yeah, it's basically the same. Maybe the camera's a little bit. Oh, it comes with the earphones that plug in because there's no longer a headphone jack. So you plug it in, and it comes with the charger and also this, but you have to buy something to attach to this so you can listen to your earphones and charge it at the same time. But other than that, other than the iPhone jack and the glass background, which is pretty nice, and it's heavier also, it's basically the same phone, I would say. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I updated it, and now I'm just gonna look through it to see how it is. So I already put my fingerprint. Okay, yep, that's good. Let's try taking a picture. Yeah, that looks like it's a little bit better quality than the 6s Plus. Let's try taking a video. Yeah, it's very defined, which is better. So it probably has a better camera than the 6s Plus. Let's see if we can double tap for tabs. Yep, that's still the same, even though there is no home button, but you can still double tap and you can still, it still feels like it's just not actually like you can't actually click it. We can ask for Siri. Hey Siri. Yep, she's still the same. Oh. Yep, it seems like she's more faster in this one. Okay, so that's about it. My conclusion is it's basically the exact same as the 6s Plus, except there's no home button, there's no jack, earphone jack, and I would say that the camera's a little bit better. But other than that, it's basically the same. Oh, and also the back, and it's a little heavier, but that's about it really.